Welcome to The Explainer. Let's dive into the amazing world of genealogy and uncover your roots, right? So, do you truly know where you come from? It's a huge question about your identity. A BYU study actually found that knowing your family history is incredible for keeping us psychologically grounded. It builds resilience, connects you to your heritage, and yeah, it even tracks family health risks. Like the CDC points out that this history uncovers hidden risks for stuff like cancer or diabetes. Okay, ready to start? Just begin with yourself, search your house, and talk to your older relatives. You're hunting for the NDPs, names, dates, and places. Those are the absolute core fact you need. Next up, grab a pedigree chart. It's basically a visual map of your direct lineage. So cool. You literally just build it backwards, generation by generation, starting completely with yourself and branching out. There's this thing called the Onontaffel numbering system. In it, you're the base person, always number one. Your dad's number is double yours, so 2. Mom is double plus 1, which makes her 3. Watch out for beginner mistakes, though. Don't go too fast, skip steps, or trust just one source. Family lore about Grandpa guarding Lincoln is fun, but always stick to verified historical evidence. And beware the same name trap. He might be John Johnson, but is he your John Johnson? So, what crazy stories are hiding in your attic? Get out there and start digging today.